Last week, Wiley dethroned Brownwood as the new champ of District 5 3A, and the Bulldogs now playing the waiting game, preparing for their first playoff game, which is still almost 2 weeks away. Here's Brendan Ortega.
After dominating district opponents for almost 2 decades, the Bulldogs went the last 2 seasons without a district title. So coming into 2012, it was their mission to bring that crown back to Abilene.
We played a lot of one-run games in district. We're fortunate enough to come out on top in those one-run ball games, and you know, that's a credit to the kids.
It's just a whole group effort, and I think that this team is really bonded together, knowing that we can rely on each and every one to do that.
The Bulldogs are in the middle of a 23-day break between their last district game till the start of the playoffs. Coach Martin has carefully thought out Wiley's long layover.
Practices can be so much crisper, and I think that's the key. You know, we've gone a little shorter the last few days and gotten our work done.
A 23-day break is a lot of time to take off for any sport, so what Coach Martin did was he scheduled 3 warm-up games for the Bulldogs. First one is coming up this Saturday, and that's just one of the many things they've been doing to try to avoid a letdown in their first playoff game, which is still a week and a half away. From Bulldog Field on the campus of Wiley High School, Brandon Ortega, K-Texas Sports.